Hello, I'm Carrie-Anne Ings and this is SatTV Technology Update. Virgin Galactic, the company developing a commercial manned spaceflight system, has successfully completed the first piloted free flight of Spaceship Two, named the VSS Enterprise. The spaceship was released from its mothership at an altitude of 13,700 metres. The two main goals of the flight were to carry out a clean release of the spaceship from its mothership and for the pilots to free fly and glide back and land at Mojave Air and Spaceport in California. George Whitesides, CEO of Virgin Galactic, said after the flight that the next challenge going forward will be to complete the experimental program, obtain an FAA license and safely bring the system into service at Spaceport America. The US-based Armadillo Aerospace, another company developing a suborbital spaceship for space tourist flights, has its first passenger. The company has confirmed that St. Petersburg resident Eugenie Kovalev won his ticket to the cosmos in a contest. John Carmack, president and CTO of Armadillo Aerospace, said that a decade of research and development has got the company to the point where it can credibly talk about commercial passenger experiences with private individuals able to take the voyage of a lifetime into space at a starting price of $120,000. Founded in 2000, the company has conducted over 200 flight tests spread over 24 different vehicles. It has done work for NASA and the US Air Force and has flown vehicles at every X Prize Cup event. The company performed its very first flight under the new FAA AST experimental permit regulatory regime and firmly believes in openness regarding both successes and failures with progress updates on its website. NASA's Commercial Reusable Suborbital Research Program awarded a total of $475,000 to Armadillo and Mustang Space Systems to allow the two companies to perform test flights of their experimental vehicles near the edge of space. The flights will demonstrate the capabilities of new vehicles to provide recoverable launch and testing of small payloads going to near space, the region of Earth's atmosphere between 65,000 and 350,000 feet. The overall goal of the program is regular, frequent and predictable access to near space at a reasonable cost with easy recovery of intact payloads. Earlier this year, the company formed a partnership with Space Adventures, the company that organised commercial flights to the ISS as well as zero-gravity flights. Over the next decade, Space Adventures believes that they will arrange flights to space for more people than have made the journey since the dawn of space age. Clients will fly on suborbital flights on voyages to Earth orbit and on historic expeditions that circumnavigate the Moon. Space Adventures is in talks with Roscosmos, Russia's federal space agency, on sending tourists to the ISS on Soyuz spacecraft. Russia is currently the only country that provides space flights for tourists at a cost of around $30 million. The company's advisory board includes Apollo 11 moonwalker Buzz Aldrin, as well as 7 shuttle astronauts and a Russian cosmonaut, Yuri Usachev. Thank you for watching.